Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. It is so great to have you join us. Today we are going to be making a face mask. In our face mask today is going to be the sandalwood powder, and sandalwood is great for if you have breakouts or pimples or dark circles under your eyes. But even if you don't have those issues, it is also a great moisturizer. And it also helps to lighten the skin as well if you have hyperpigmentation in areas. Another ingredient that is going to be included in our mask today is going to be turmeric. And turmeric is antioxidant rich, it is anti-aging, it's great for reducing inflammation, it also reduces breakouts, and it lightens dark marks. So oatmeal will be the next ingredient that we're going to be adding in our mask, and oatmeal is great for soaking up excess oil. It is antioxidant rich, it has anti-inflammatory properties, it's great for removing those dead skin cells, and it's going to add that little bit of exfoliant property to your mask as well. And so we're going to be combining these ingredients, and we're going to be adding some honey. Honey is a great humectant, helps to pull moisture from the air and to moisturize and hydrate your skin, because when your skin is hydrated, you just have that glow. And we'll be adding some milk, which is rich in lactic acid, and some sandalwood essential oil. So here we are, let's get started. So in our bowl, we have our turmeric powder, we have some oatmeal, and the sandalwood powder. So we're going to mix these together. So we'll be adding our milk. Any milk you have will do. Goat milk, cow milk. The lactic acid in milk is great for your skin. And we are just mixing this to combine all of the ingredients together. And now we are going to be adding about a teaspoon of honey. Look at that. That nice creamy texture is what you are going for.
Alright guys, Krista here. So I'm so excited to try out this product that Renee just made. This turmeric mask is so luxurious, and here is me applying it to my face with an old makeup brush. You want to use something that you don't want to continue using for your makeup because it is going to stain it. So use something old or have something specifically for this mask. And as I'm applying, I'm getting every square inch and crevice of my face, making sure it's coated well. And this is the final result after 20 to 30 minutes of leaving it on my face. Thank you all so much for watching. And until next week, take care.